Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the LookFantastic Valentine's Day collection to show you guys. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my LookFantastic Valentine's Day collection just arrived, and I'm so excited to now have this in my hands. I did watch another YouTuber. Her channel is the Natural Beauty Blog. I will link her channel down below if you guys would like to check her out. She's amazing. I could literally listen to her talk all day long. She's just so cute. She's the cutest daughter, and I have been following her for quite some time. Back when I was getting Glossy Box for that entire year, I was definitely watching all of her videos because she was doing Glossy Box, but she got the UK box and I would get the US box, and they were always so different. And I love to see the difference between her box and my box. And I've been hooked on her channel ever since. So again, I will link her channel down below if you guys would like to check her out. And I would love to see her channel get to 1,000. I can't wait to see her get to 1,000 subscribers. So yes. So again, I watched her video, so I already know what's in here and I was hooked. As soon as I was done, I even commented, all right, I'm ordering right now. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's see what we have. This packaging though, I have to tell you, is the cutest packaging. LookFantastic has the cutest packaging when it comes to their holiday collections. And this is just adorable. And look how it opens like this. And it has a magnetic closure right there. And the inside, how cute, it has the little red heart, and then it has the red box inside. I don't know what I'm going to do with this box just yet. I don't know if I'm going to hang it up in my office so when I get mail, they can put mail in here, or I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm definitely going to repurpose this box for something because I think it is just so cute. So let's go ahead and get inside because that's where the real goods are, not the box, even though the box is simply adorable. So you pull it out like this. There's that. So again, if you wanted just to set this somewhere and use this like as a mailbox or anything, you could. I don't know what I'm going to do with it just yet. So inside there is a card that goes over all of the different items, but it gives the UK pricing on here. I went ahead and I printed out the one from the US website so I can get the US pricing to let you guys know. So let's go ahead and just start diving in here and see what we have. So it has a little tissue paper with a little red heart for Valentine's Day. And then when you remove it, there is the presentation for everything that's inside. So let's see what we get for $315 that I paid $71 for. And right now it's still available. I will have their link down below if you would like to see if it is still available for you to purchase as well. So right on top, the first thing that I am pulling out is a Chapman London Intense Hydrating Booster. And this right here, the Skin Hydrating Booster, is 30 ml and it's worth $85.20. So this product right here is worth more than this entire collection. That's amazing. So let's see what this is. Like, what? Lightweight, silky, and oil-free. Oh wait, hold on. I guess I have to be smarter than the box because it opens like that. Lightweight, silky, and oil-free, this Chapman serum will give your skin some much-needed TLC. With the blend of supercharged ingredients inside, your skin will look visibly plumper and glowing. The clever formula defends against bacteria and irritants and supports with dehydrated skin. So it does have a little brochure that's inside of the box, and this is the actual product itself. So there's Chapman, and let's see. So it's a little dropper, and then you have the little top up here that you get the serum in, and then you just push it out. Let me put a little on my hand just so I can feel that. I'm glad it's not an oily consistency because some serums that have like an oil base, I just don't like putting oil on my face. My face is not oily. it has a nice little fresh scent to it, and it feels really good. So that is one that I really do like putting on my skin because it just will add moisture to it and not leave it feeling greasy and just like, So I'm actually really excited, and $85 just for this guy. Holy moly. Okay, so let's keep on going. So next we have is a product by Benefit, and it says Cookie. Now this right here is a highlighter, and it's $30. How cute. When you open the box, look at this. And then there's like even a little brush. Then there's a pamphlet, and then the highlighter is down there. So let me remove the plastic. So there's the actual highlighter down there, and there is a mirror. So this guy right here says, get the ultimate glow with this ultra fine Benefit highlighter. Ooh, it's nice and creamy. Ooh, look at that. The universally flattering Cookie, a champagne shade with a slight golden shimmer, is designed to give your complexion instant radiance. Use along your cheekbones, brow bone, and cupid brow for an illuminating, healthy look. What? Look at that. That is nice. Okay. I've never used these little brushes before, so let me try this out, okay? Let's see. You see anything? Yes. I see it. All right, so I guess I'm going to just leave this little brush in there nice and tight. And again, this is $30. I'm actually excited. That is really, look at that highlighter. Come on, look at that. That is so pretty. Okay, so let's keep on going. Now we have this is Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, and I get this a lot in boxes. So this I'm going to keep in the box. I'll show you what the bottle looks like if it's not, no, it's not sealed. This is what the bottle looks like, and I get this a lot in subscription boxes. And you guys, I'm going to be completely honest, I don't like this type of stuff on my face. So I think I still have one in my arsenal to try, and all the other ones I've given to you guys in giveaways. So this I'm just going to keep in the box because this one actually came in a box. My other ones didn't even come in boxes. But this guy right here, this is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion, and it's $79. So this product, again, this is also more than this entire box. So this guy here says, polish like a pro with this Dr. Brandt facial exfoliant, formulated with professional grade crystals that penetrate skin into a deeper level, smoothing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and revealing radiant skin. Subtle for all skin types, but particularly great for aging skin, this exfoliant gets to work in just 2 minutes. It's just, when you have like an exfoliator with those little grimy little things that are in there, I don't like the way that feels on my face, especially near my hairline. I don't like sandy, gritty things feeling like it's in my hair. So again, I will just go ahead and set this aside to pass down to one of you guys because I still haven't used the one that I have, which I'll try it because for $80, and I hear a lot of people raving that this is a good product. So I'll try mine, but this one I'll save for one of you guys. But again, that's $79 by itself. All right, so then now we have this is a big bottle. This is by Wow Color Wow. Dream Filler for Picture Perfect Color. Pre-shampoo mineral remover. Huh. So that is a really big container. This right here is Color Wow Dream Filler Treatment. This is worth $33.30, and it's a 200 milliliter bottle. And so it's that's weird. There's a cap in a cap. But this says Breakthrough Pre-Shampoo Spray Treatment. Fillers out minerals typically found in city and well water that destroys the clarity, intensity, and beauty out of your hair. Traces of copper, iron, magnesium, calcium, chlorine, and other elements that remain in your hair warp your color over time, making it look yellow, brassy, ashy green, dull, dark, and dingy, depending on the material content. Dream Filler Ideal is for all hair types and color shades. So how to use directions. Apply Dream Filler to dry hair before shampooing. Spray evenly to separate hair. Wait 1 to 3 minutes, then shampoo for best results. Huh, that's awesome. I've never had anything that will help get the stuff out of your hair before you shampoo even. So that's awesome. I'm definitely going to use this. So I'm so glad that I got this in this box. So far, everything but this, I'm going to be using. This is becoming an amazing Valentine's Day collection box for only $71. Okay, and then, oh gosh, there's still like more in here. This is an eye cream. This says eye cream, fragrance-free, e-cooking. So this guy right here, e-cooking eye cream, 30 ml. This is worth $62.50. What? This says delivers powerful hydration to help tackle dark circles, fine lines, and calm puffiness. Formulated with coconut oil, vitamin A, and glycerine. It's lightweight, feels effortlessly, sinks into skin, and helps support natural collagen protection and reduce signs of aging. So I kind of like the way that that sounds. And I'm really excited to start using this. It has e-cooking and there's like an actual pot, like, you know, it's a little pot of cooking. All right, so let me get this off. And then the top just sits kind of on top just so you don't press it. And then let me put that over here because I already have that other stuff. And I have a highlighter on my hand still. So that's what that looks like right there. And okay. Yep, fragrance free. I don't smell anything, but it does feel nice. So I'm really excited to start using that because I don't want to end up getting puffiness or dark circles or anything as I get older. This year I will be 40, so I'm definitely trying to do anything that I can to keep my face looking nice and youthful. So we have one item left in here, you guys, and that is right here. And we have a palette. This is by Pixie by Petra. Here's the outside. And then let me get it opened. I have bought Pixie by Petra palettes a few different times for past giveaways, but I've never purchased a Pixie by Petra palette for myself. I do have one Pixie by Petra. I think it's like two different colors, like a lavender and a purple in a little tiny set that I do like, but I just don't grab those smaller ones. I forget all about them, to be honest. So I'm now glad to now have an actual Pixie by Petra set so I can actually use and try out their formulas in a bigger palette anyway. So it says, hello, LA Angel. And then when you open it up, there are all of the colors. This right here says with 15 shades, 12 for your eyes and 3 for the face, this Pixie palette is perfect for creating an endless number of looks. Formulated with vitamin E to nourish and hydrate, each shade is buildable to add definition to the lids as a natural looking flush to the face. So these right here would be for your face, or you can just use them for eyeshadows, which I would probably just use these for eyeshadows. This one I'll probably use like underneath my brow bone to give it a little bit of like a little shimmer. But yeah, I'm actually really excited because these are all like brown tones and that's my comfort zone for real. Brown tones, and then now slightly stepping into more of like the burgundies. Those are my go-to comfort zone. But I'm really liking this palette, you guys. I really like all of the colors. I like how there's a dark brown, there's a black. So you have those darker definition colors, and then you have the lighter colors so you can do like your all over base. You have a mid shade. There's even this to go in your lower lid or under your brow bone. So I'm really, really excited about this palette, to be completely honest. And this Pixie Hello Beautiful Face Palette, LA Angel, is worth $24. So this is $24 for the palette. We have the Eye Cooking Eye Cream for $62.50. We have this big old Color Wow Dream Filler Hair Treatment for $33.30. We have the Benefit Cookie Highlighter for $30 and Then we have this Sarah Chapman Skin Essence Hydrating Booster for $85.20. And then the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion for $79. So that is everything that came in this Valentine's Day collection, you guys. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this? I love the packaging, and I'm so loving all of the products because everything in here I'm actually going to use, except this, which I'll pass down only because I've got this a few times in other boxes and I already have one and others. So this I will definitely pass down, but all these other ones I'm really excited to try out and to use. So again, comment down below, let me know, did you hear about this? Do you want to get this? Did you think this was a good value for $71? Comment down below, let me know. I will go ahead and link down below the channel Natural Beauty blog that I found this from. She's amazing, you can check her out. And I will link this set if it's still available if you would like to check it out as well. So again, that is everything I have for you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.